Wow, what a difference some furniture makes. Hi, I'm Mari McWilliam from Harcourts Williams Property, and in this video I thought I'd look at the benefits of styling an empty property for sale. Too many people consider styling a cost rather than an investment, and yes, I know it's not always easy to come up with the extra dollars to do it, but it can definitely help you achieve a premium price rather than an average price. These before and after shots are of a home we recently sold in Glenside where the owners had moved out and it was completely empty. Styling turned this blank canvas into a desirable family home. Some buyers are able to visualise an empty space and how it can look filled with furniture. But the majority find it difficult to do this and need some help. That's where good styling comes into its own. In this Glenside home, there were some spaces which, if we left empty, were difficult to imagine how they could be used. And by adding furniture, it gave buyers an idea of how the spaces could work. By styling these spaces, we made the home feel more visually appealing for both the marketing presentation and for when the buyers walked through at the inspections. It made the house make sense and feel like a home. Styling your home gives potential buyers confidence that the spaces within the home work and helps them move forward with the buying decision. So if you'd like help with the sale of your home, please call me on 0408 385 577.